As you drive in on the church parking lot, you just drive to the end of the parking lot and you look on the right hand side, and that's where you're going to see the wagons for dropping off your espresso machines or your KitchenAid stand mixers. In this video, I'll be explaining how this works. You have to make sure you're sitting at the right door number, because each key box is assigned for each door number. Next, you open up the weather panel, enter in the code that we text message you. In this case, I'm just making it simple, 1, 2, 3, 4 for the video. You turn this top knob to open and access the key. The key then corresponds to the correct lock. Once you're in the locker, you will find the clipboard where you can fill out your information. Please make sure to print clearly so we can understand the writing and have 2 phone numbers if possible. You can return that back there, and once you lock everything up, you have to make sure that it's secure. So double check the lock. The key gets returned back in the lockbox. Now this will not close unless you lock it like that. Double check it, make sure it's locked, and you're good to go.